How to fix Pikashow app crashing problem. So you have to follow these steps. So first of all, close the Pikashow app completely and relaunch it to see if the crashing issue is resolved. If the app keeps crashing, press and hold the power button and restart your device completely. Make sure your device is connected to a fast and stable internet connection before opening Pikashow. Go to device settings, find Pikashow under apps, tap clear cache and then reopen the app. If clearing cache did not help, go back to the same menu and tap clear data to fully reset the app. Go to settings and check your device storage. If it is full, delete unnecessary files to free up some space. Close all background apps running on your device to free up RAM and prevent Pikashow from crashing. Open your browser and search for the latest Pikashow APK to make sure you are running the most recent version. Make sure your device meets the minimum requirements to run Pikashow smoothly without crashing. If you are using a VPN, try turning it off as it can sometimes cause Pikashow to crash unexpectedly. If the crashing still continue, go to settings, find Pikashow under apps, tap uninstall and reinstall a fresh version. I hope your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching.